to add an international phone number in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Once inside the WhatsApp, tap on the chat section available at the bottom tab. And now, once you navigate to the chat section, you will get to see plus icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to add a contact. Then once you tap on the plus icon, you can simply tap on the new contact option available there. Now there, enter the country code. Simply tap on the country code option available there and you'll get to see list of countries available. Choose any according to your preferences or according to your saved number for international. Now followed by the phone number. Once you choose it, enter the phone number, then save the contact. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.